Students, in this video I am explaining you about the selection sort. In the previous video I explained you about the bubble sort. So what is the procedure for the selection sort? So what is the literal meaning of selection is what we do. The first point is what is our objective. We are having 5 numbers, okay, in such a way we have stored into the array, and these number must be arranged into the ascending order. Which order? This order, okay. This is our objective. So how we will arrange these number into the ascending order? We are using selection sort technique. So what we do in selection sort technique, as its name is selection, so objective is arranged in ascending order, okay, numbers. Point number 2 is find or select an index where smallest value is stored. What is the key point for the selection sort is we are going to select an index or location where smallest value is stored. Look here, where the smallest value is stored at the index 3. Are you getting me or not? Look at this point 3. 2 is stored here. So what we are doing in selection sort, we are selecting an index where smallest value is stored. Okay. Second point. Third is store this smallest value into the first index. After getting it, because we got it at index 3, what we will do? We will store 2 at 0 location, 2 at 0 location, and 100 at the third location. Are you getting me out? Okay. So this is the key point. Why it is known as a selection sort? Because for arranging the number into the ascending order, what we do, we search or find or select an index where the smallest value is stored. After that, this smallest value will be stored into the first location, and the value which is stored into the first location at 0 location will be stored at the third location from where we stored the smallest value. Okay. So why we are doing it? Because our objective is to arrange the number into the ascending order, and it does mean the smallest value must be into the first location. Got it? After that, what we do, because in the first location we got the smallest number, and in the second location we have to get the second smallest number. So the same procedure, after leaving this location we will take first location, and from the rest location we will do the same as we did in the first one. What we did, we are finding out the smallest value here in the index, where this is at the index of 1, so it will remain here only. Okay. In the same way we will take index number 2 and we will compare with the rest location. So what we are doing in selection sort, we are trying to find out the smallest value in which index this smallest value is stored, and that will be arranged according to the requirement. Have you got it? So this is the procedure I have given here. Into the next video I will explain you about the programming. Okay.